The new features on Pixel 7 Pro will really help refine the hardware and software, bring cinematic blur and 4K 60 FPS video to all of its cameras. Whether you want to start your TikTok career or just need something stylish that'll last, protect your investment with the Pixel 7 Pro. There are a variety of styles and amp colors from thin and clear to ruggedly handsome that will match any outfit. Pixel 7 Pro is a great choice for every level of user. It has an easy-to-use interface and offers more advanced features. It's durable, stylish, and small enough to carry with you everywhere. The Google Pixel 7 Pro is a high-end phone with some of the best features that you can find on a smartphone. But don't worry, there are many cases available for it that will protect your phone from scratches, dents, and water damage. So today's video I will show you 5 best cases for your Google Pixel 7 Pro you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Q-Mobile. Protect your Google Pixel 7 Pro with this case. The case is made of high-quality cork material, providing a comfortable grip and a stylish look. The one-piece design of this Google Pixel 7 Pro case makes installation quick and easy. The Q-Mobile case, compatible with Google Pixel 7 Pro case protective cork mobile cell phone cover, is a premium, lightweight, and dust-free case. The outer lining of this durable phone cover is made of an eco-friendly natural fabric. This sleek and thin case also provides a 360-degree protection to your phone's screen. The case's simplistic design also gives you easy access to all its features. Protect your phone in stylish and trendy way with this original iPhone 7 Pro case. Made with high quality, the cover is made of durable, convertible, and lightweight material, just what you need to avoid scratches and bumps. It has a perfect cutout for the camera, flash, sensors, and other ports, so it does not interfere with normal use. Let's start protecting your phone today. Number 4. Caseology Nano. Designed to protect your Google Pixel 7 Pro without adding unnecessary bulk, the Caseology Nano Pop case was created with a dual layer of silicone and a hard matte finish. This durable formula is military grade rated, meaning it's tested for drops up to 10 meters 33 feet. Protect your phone with the world's slimmest, most durable military-grade case. Our ultra-slim, lightweight, and form-fitting design is the perfect way to show off your phone while protecting it from daily wear and tear. With our military-grade drop test standards, we ensure that your phone will always be protected. You know you care about your phone, so why not protect it with the best? Caseology Nano Pop is designed specifically for Google Pixel 7 Pro case military-grade drop-tested dual-layer silicone case. Its cutting-edge dual-layer construction is meant to take impact and shield your device in style. Plus, its sleek outline and vivid colors will highlight your phone's true beauty. Silicone feel case offers great fit in hand while remaining lint and dust-free in your pockets. Bold, contrasting two-tone colors and camera ring design creates a sporty and playful look. Offers a snug fit with slim profile and raised ring around camera for additional protection. Number 3. Tech 21. Tech 21's Google Pixel 7 Pro Evo Light phone case protects your phone from up to 10-foot drops, making it the perfect case for your on-the-go lifestyle. Made from high-quality materials, this lightweight and slimline case is precision engineered to offer the best protection for your device with a sleek and stylish design. Tech 21 cases are engineered to provide unparalleled protection against drops and other accidents. The latest case from Tech 21, the Google Pixel 7 Pro Evo Light, is no exception. This beautifully designed, ultra-thin phone case is made with alpha gel for shock absorption and metallized buttons for scratch resistance. You don't need to sacrifice style in order to get protection. Smartphones have become an integral part of our lives, and as a leading provider of protection, Tech 21 understands that their owners want to keep them well protected. The Pro Evo Light case is designed to do just that. Made with high-quality TPU and polycarbonate materials, this case is able to withstand 10-foot drops time after time while still maintaining its slim profile. With a raised edge on the front, this case features some of the best protection available for your new Google Pixel 7 Pro Evo Lite. Number 2. Caseology Afflex. Protect your phone from the bumps, falls, and scratches that can shorten your handset's life. The integrated grip and multi-layered protection make for a defense against accidental drops. The case is made of high-quality materials with an attractive design to enhance the look of your device. Protect your Google Pixel 7 Pro while enjoying a stellar grip with Caseology's Afflex case. Durable, lightweight, and comfortable to hold, this military-grade drop-tested case is perfect for bringing on the go. Show off your device in any environment with the sleek design that's packed with protection. Looking for a way to personalize your case? Check out our designer collections for endless potential. Join dual layers and integrated drop-proof grip provides extra cushioning and protection. Accent lines on the back providing ergonomic design for your fingers. Certified with military-grade protection, wireless charging compatible and screen protector compatible. Ultimate Google Pixel 7 Pro case that offers a sleek and form-fitting design and provides shock absorption, scratch protection, and front raised edges to shield the screen. The case features a large cutout for easy access to buttons, ports, camera, and fingerprint scanner. Number 1. CaseMate. Stop worrying about scratchy and bulky cases. With CaseMate, you can have a lightweight, slim and luxurious case that also has wireless charging capabilities and 10-foot drop protection for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Simply put the phone on the wireless charger to charge it up and then place it in any of the luxurious glittery designs for a little extra bling wherever you go. Looking for a way to keep your stylish new Pixel 7 Pro safe and secure? The CaseMate Twinkle Amber Diamonds case is perfect for you. This stunning case features a beautiful amber pattern with a bling design and comes with protection as well as wireless charging, making it the best of both worlds. No need to sacrifice style for safety. Our Google Pixel 7 Pro case has the best of both worlds. Stay connected to your phone by charging wirelessly in its new case. You don't have to worry about damaging your phone while on the go. The built-in card holder slot securely holds your ID, credit card, or debit card, so you're all set for a night out. It has a flat surface with glitter embedded inside, making it easy to use and carry around.